Hey guys, it's Casey with The Social Seed. I'm here with a very special video. It's bringing you 3 cocktails to help you out on election night. This election season has been a lot. Whether you're a conservative, a moderate, or a liberal, we're all going to need a cocktail come Tuesday night. First, we're going to start off with the old fashioned with a twist. Instead of using a sugar cube or simple syrup, we're going to use brown sugar and toast the orange slices in the oven right before we add them to the drink. Then we're going to head to a lemonade with vodka and Saint Germain. It's so delicious. And next, we're going to head off to Margarita, but instead of using sweet and sour, we're going to use actual limes and oranges. I hope you enjoy.
First, add 2 orange slices and cherries to your glass. I covered the tops of my oranges with brown sugar and broiled them in the oven for 5 minutes. They caramelized and created such a thick syrup. I also added my oranges when they're slightly hot, just so it can warm up the drink even more. Next, muddle your fruit to help release flavors and juices. This drink is not for the faint of heart. This drink is perfect for those traditional whiskey drinkers that know that whiskey can be bold and strong. It's definitely not a light drink to have on a summer day. Make sure that you muddle up and break that fruit really well so you can have pieces of orange and cherry throughout your whole drink. Add in 4 ounces of Woodford Reserve. I have a little bit of a heavy pour. And 3 dashes of bitters. Or if you're like me, about good 6 dashes. Top it off with ice, and of course, enjoy. Add ice to your shaker and pour in 4 ounces of Tito's. Pour in 2 ounces of Saint Germain. In my opinion, everyone needs the Saint on your bar cart. It's so versatile and can be used in so many cocktails. The best part of this drink is definitely the fresh lemon juice. This recipe calls for 1 whole lemon. If you have time to make your juice instead of buying it, definitely do it. It can add so much more flavor to your drink. I always pour my juice with a spoon so the seeds won't get into the drink. I just don't like that. Add in 2 thick slices of lemon into the shaker with a heavy pour of simple syrup. Simple syrup is easy to make. It's just equal parts of sugar and water that you bring to a boil for about 2 minutes. Now shake really hard to bust up the ice and lemon wedges. I'm like shaking the life out of this drink right now. Pour and top with the lemon wedge. Add ice to your shaker and pour in 4 ounces of Jose Cuervo. Next, pour in 2 ounces of triple sec, another bar cart essential. Now, a heavy pour of simple syrup. Grab your juicer and juice 1 orange and 1 lime. I'm not a fan of sweet and sour. I find that I like this recipe so much better. You can also add a lemon to give it more of a sour flavor. Here is an interesting fact about Jose Cuervo. Technically, it is not tequila because it is not 100% made from agave. Your true tequila brands are like Patron and Casamigos. To me, Jose is slightly sweeter and is perfect for my margaritas. Shake your drink hard again, and of course cheese throughout the whole thing. And next, you have to do this to every margarita. You have to rim your glass with a lime wedge and add some salt. It just balances out the drink so much. Grab your strainer and be sure to pour it into an empty glass. Top off your delicious cocktail and sip the night away.
I hope you have a great election night. Let me know if you make any of these cocktails. I promise they're going to be the perfect treat for that night. I'll see you soon.